Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home I'm back in the kitchen today, and it is Thursday, November 21st, and we're on to Errand Day for our Cruising Through the Holidays mission number 24. So can you believe we're getting really close to the end now? So your mission for today, as it is Errand Day in the Fly Lady system, is to make sure you have all of the supplies you need for mailing. So if you haven't bought stamps yet, today's the day. Make sure you pick those up. Any other supplies you might need if you're going to send out packages by the mail, if you need wrapping, some kind of a brown wrapping paper if you want to do that over the box, or packing tape, anything like that, boxes of a certain size, or if you need the bubble mailers. Today's the day. Make sure you've got it all. Better yet, if you have some things packed and ready to go, then head to the post office as part of your errand day and get those mailed out. And the other thing is, as you go grocery shopping, just keep trying to pick up little things to kind of stockpile your supplies you need for the holiday baking and meals. And a suggestion someone I know had recently told me about, which I love this, she said I think in November they start picking up a few gift cards every time they go to the store, and they just kind of keep this little stash of gift cards on hand. That way they have them either for gifts that they're giving to people throughout the holidays, and she said whatever's left over, then they use those for date nights after the holidays are over, which I love that too, that you kind of have that. The money's already spent. She said that way they just plan on a little bit coming out of each paycheck versus trying to save up a lot and spending it all at once. And then it's a little easier. You don't notice it as much when it's just a little bit coming out each time. But then they've got this nice stash of gift cards that they can use for gifts. So that's another little tip and idea that I thought I'd share with you. So today's the day. Get your errands out there, checked off your list. If it's not your errand day, but it's whatever day of the week you do your errands, then let's make sure we get all of our stamps and mailing supplies. Don't forget to address 5 more envelopes for your holiday cards that you're going to send out. And if you haven't started on your little holiday newsletter, if that's something that your family does, maybe start thinking about it, or jot down a few thoughts or highlights from the year that you want to include. If you can get it all typed up and ready to go, even better. But we've got time. It's just good to start thinking of those things now. And like the Fly Lady says, that way as you get into the holidays, you're flying. And I don't know if you know this, but the fly stands for finally loving yourself. So you're taking care of yourself and doing things to be kind to yourself as you're going through the holidays versus dashing, running around like mad, trying to get it all done, wearing yourself out, and not enjoying the holidays. So let's make it a great day. It's almost the weekend, one more day, and we'll be at the weekend before Thanksgiving, which is kind of hard to believe, but here we are. We had lots of sun yesterday, and it warmed up to 65, which is amazing. So I think we have some rain and cooler temperatures coming soon, but I'll take the warmer weather for now. So thanks again. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button down below if you're enjoying this series, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.